So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. Now once you're on this, I've left 5 commands down below in the description. We want to copy and paste them one by one. So I'm just going to do the first one. ipconfig release. Second one. Third one. The fourth one. And the fifth one. It's going to ask you to restart your computer, but don't restart it yet till you complete the next steps in the video. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in view network connections. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on properties and then click on Internet Protocol version 4. You want to make sure that use the phone with your netsh server address has been selected, and you want to make the first line 8888 and you want to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. Now once you've done that, we're going to close this out and then click on diagnose this connection. If there's any problems, then it'll fix it for you. Now for the next step, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters, and then you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search what's missing for drivers. Make sure you have the best drivers installed for your device. Now you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.